So we did the Toa Family Luau last night at the Waimea Botanical Gardens and had a great time. It was a really good show. Very intimate, not a whole lot of people compared to like some of the big luau's I've been to. We were in the very back. Well, not quite the very back. We were pretty far in the back, but had a great view of everything, and the stage was right there. It's really close, and had a really good time.
I've been to 3 luau's now, and that seems to be the most memorable. It's not too flashy, but they really centered it on the audience and family and celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, and then also a lot of dance from different Pacific islands, and it was a really, really, really neat show. I liked it a lot.
What'd you think of the food?
It was fine. I wasn't really there for the food, though. I mean, it was more for the experience, and the kids enjoyed it. It kept their attention, which sometimes those go a little long, but yeah, they liked it. I liked it. Everyone seemed to have a really good time.
I enjoyed the luau a lot more than I thought I would. I didn't think it would be as entertaining as it was, but it was really funny, and it was also really interesting.
The host was funny.
The host was really funny, and also the food was really good. Everyone was cousin or everyone was family, one or the other. But it was a really fun, and I liked it a lot more than I thought I would. I didn't really like the macaroni salad, but I feel like that's kind of expected from me. But everything else was really good, and Dee stole my coconut.
Oh.
I didn't have my coconut. Dee did.
She stole it.
Yeah.
She must have liked it. Yeah, I enjoyed the food. I thought it was really good. The macaroni salad especially. A lot of the macaroni salads around here are pretty mayonnaise-y and just kind of bland, but the one at theirs had a lot of flavor. The pulled pork was good. Didn't have a whole lot to it, but it was genuinely good pulled pork. And then they had a barbecued chicken that was pretty good.
I liked that a lot.
The coconut vanilla cake was really good. I really enjoyed that. And then they had fresh fruit, and there was salad.
My only complaint, no poi. We want the kids to try poi because it's so amazing.
So amazing.
If you've ever had it before, it's just a tradition. If you come to Hawaii, you have to try poi. And there was no poi at that one, so we're going to have to hunt it down somewhere so the kids can try it.
Yeah, well, we'll have to find poi somewhere else.
Maybe on the cruise.
Maybe.
And our tip is to get there early, because if you buy the tickets, you have access to the botanical gardens and the waterfall, which is, the waterfall is about a 3/4 of a mile hike, but you walk through the botanical gardens to get to it, and you can swim. So if you get there 2 or 3 hours before the luau, you have full access of all that other stuff included in your price, which a lot of the other luau's don't include anything besides dinner and the show. So that is a tip.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun, and I think people that go will have a really good time.
Yeah, it was very enjoyable. The Toa Family Luau, I would definitely recommend it.
Put a link.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description or there somewhere for the luau. Very good.